Alright guys, first of all, if you want to support the channel, you can check out these jet tags. They're going to be in every description in every video. But this is part one of tearing down this Mazdaspeed engine right here. So what we're going to be doing is tearing each little thing apart and then talking about it. So we'll tear down the intake manifold, we'll talk about the issues with this intake manifold, how you could port it, how you could make it better, and then what aftermarket parts might be good. And then flipping over to the exhaust side right here where the turbo's at. Turbo's like this guy right here. Can you show them a little zoom up of the impeller? Because everyone loves to see the impeller, Here, show them maybe the back side actually. So that's the exhaust side. So for the second video, we'll be taking this turbo and manifold off, and then each little section, like we'll take off the timing cover on this side, and then we'll tell you guys about the VVT problems, everything you can know. So basically this can be like a 10-part video or however many parts it takes us. But right now I'm just posting this video so you guys can see. We're gonna have a big series on everything you need to know. So this is the old Mazdaspeed engine, and we're excited for you guys to see this whole build series, but we'll catch you guys in the next video.